Snyder shooting the gun. Another 8.
How's that?
That's pretty good.
Jim's shooting his sniper rifle. Cubby's got the youth crossbow.
Ooh, you hit it!
Yeah!
Nice job.
All right.
Okay, finish it. It's perfect. Oh, I like it. Good job, Deepa.
Thank you. Today is March 20th, 2021. We're here at our little impromptu shooting range,
Fire?
doing some important stuff.
Is it on fire?
No, you gotta put it on.
Hannah, Carly, Sniper Jim.
Oh no!
Ah! Okay, now.
I missed it.
Wow. Let's see.
4-3.
Now I hit that thing. See, it's still wiggling.
What'd you hit?
That honey can.
Alright, that's what counts. Grandpa has 4 and Jimmy has 4.
Oh, okay. If it doesn't go down, it don't go down. Nice.
Nice job, dude. It's
5-4.
unless he
Don't
gets
take
this
the
one.
table, please.
Don't move.
Whoa.
He's got 6.
Oh.
Woo!
This is the Hannah Carly competition.
Oh, it's 1-1. Jimmy beat
I hit
Grandpa
it, the
by-
middle.
Yeah, I saw it
Just
move.
for the record, Jimmy beat Grandpa.
All right, hold your fire.
What are you doing in front of the gun?
Come back here.
Jimmy, it depends on who wins, who you get to play against. If Carly wins,
She
you go
got it.
against her.
Now,
But it's 2-2 right now, so it's a tie.
Carly wanted to use my big Hatsan 25 caliber. I said, well, I'll cock it because there's no way you can do it. It takes too much strength. But look at this.
I got it, by the way. It's 4-3.
She does that like it's nobody's business.
Video when me against Carly, me and him.
Okay.
Alright, I got the spice one, so it's 4-3.
Carly might not win. It might be Hannah.
Yeah, it's whoever wins you go against. Okay?
Do you have to get 8? You
Whoa.
do you have to get 8?
4-4.
I want to put that in.
The Umarex. Umarex Embark youth rifle used in competitions.
This time competition.
Yes.
That's 5-4. We're gonna kill it. We're gonna kill it.
Carly, you have to get 8.
Yeah, let's go.
Whoa.
5.
And you know, Carly is shooting without a scope. Open sights.
Well, that's not the point.
Just admit I'm a good shot. You gotta get 7.
Oh, Oh, dang it. I missed that.
Nice. Nice.
God, can we not?
Right.